always a new technology or anything else, everybody's fighting about it. And then slowly and steadily they know how to, then it becomes a tool. Because AI, it cannot, heart, timing, AI cannot replace that. And it's like you use that as a brush, but if you want to make a painting with a heart, you need that human touch to it. So you have to use it properly and be wise enough of how to use it, what to use it, and keep on learning more and more about it, and don't get frightened about it.
You don't think there'll be a robot or an AI Anil Kapoor taking over your job tomorrow?
नहीं, मैंने तो केस जीत चुका हूँ, उसके पैसे देने पड़ेंगे।